Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 5:49 on a Tuesday morning. This is gonna be a very different video because let me put my phone down. I'm tired. I just woke up. In a previous video, in the previous video, I was talking about people, new bird owners, or new bird owners or future bird owners to not necessarily believe what they see on TikTok and Instagram and such, because that's not really the reality. So if you're getting a bird just because you saw a cute video of an Indian ringneck talking and it's all cute, well, that's not the real life with birds. And this made and then I pursue saying you should really start following content creators that are actually showing what real life is with birds. And this made me think that I should do that. I should show what the real life is with birds. So I decided to make this video happen. And this is more so like a day in the life of. So we're starting this on a Tuesday morning at 5 something in the morning. I woke up not too long ago, and I did my bed so far. That's all I did, and I'm just about to make some coffee. So stick with me. This is gonna be a weird video, but with weird angles and my weird morning voice, but that's what we got. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna make my coffee. Because I can't start a day without a coffee. And by the way, my birds are still asleep. And while the coffee is going, I'm gonna feed my cats. So there's another human that lives with me in that house, and that is my 19-year-old daughter. She's not here today anyways. She's at her boyfriend's house. So it's just me. That first sip of coffee is always the best. All right, so now I'm gonna drink a bit of that coffee so I can wake up, and I will look at a few emails and messages and prepare myself for the day, and that is going to be done on my phone that I'm using currently to record. So I will come back later when I wake up the birds. All right, it's now 6:15. I'm kind of running late already. That's not great. I'm preparing the food for the birds now. I'm just about to wake them up. Here, so you can see a little bit more. So morning they get breakfast, which is the seasonal feeding system that I use from Bird Tricks. And then today I'm gonna add, I just find it's a little bit mushy. So I'm gonna add the rest of the powder that I use from the pellets. So there's always a little bit of powder that's left from the pellets in the bag, particularly the last bag I had. I don't know if that bag was tossed around or it was the last one in the bottom, but there was a lot of powder. And then I just mix it. It just helps to remove the mushiness or the water. And seal my bag. Put this back in the fridge. So this is for Lucy, my Indian ring neck. Then this one is going to be for Olive. And these two are going to be for my budgies. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go wake up the birds. I bring their food. I'm actually going to move the camera around a little bit. So I want to show you that I weight my bird every day. I'll try here. Move this a little bit because you'll see I'm gonna weight my bird, and I do this every morning. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Yeah. Lucy's first flight is, the landing actually is always a little bit weird. And then while she's on the scale, I'm gonna change the... Come on, baby. Yeah. Olive has been a little bit of a monster lately, so I'm doing things a little bit differently with her. I'm actually doing some training, a little bit of target in her cage first. Yeah, I've been trying to use some tricks with her to calm her down and to switch up her routine a little bit. You wanna come? Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. I think that she's looking at the camera and she's like, what is happening? Oh no, I didn't want you to poop on the toy. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. You want a treat? Come on. Good job. Come on, baby. You want a treat? Come on. Okay. Oh, gee, she pooped on the stand like her good morning poop. I thought she'd done it already in her cage. I don't know. It's not easy to do this, my normal routine, while filming. This is weird. Okay, I need to clean that up now. This was a big fat one all over understand. I use non-scented baby wipes. It's like, I don't know if you can see this. It's like in the cord and everything. Oh my gosh. Trying to remove as much as I can, otherwise I'm gonna have to soak that up in a hot tub or something. Or in the washing machine. That's not bad. Not bad. Now that the birds are awake and eating, it's time for my second coffee so I can be truly awake. Tit Fluff is eating her breakfast. Baby Blue, I don't know what he's doing. Oh, no, he's eating breakfast. Lucy's eating her breakfast. Look at that beak. Yes. And then Olive, too, is eating her breakfast. Oh, she just saw my phone. She's like, what are you doing? Okay, we're good. I'm backing off. It's fine. They're all eating. One thing that is non-bird related that I do every morning is I read tarot one day maybe. I mean, it's not bird related, so I don't know if I'm ever going to show you my collection, but I do have quite the collection of tarot cards. Anyway, so what I do also in the morning, every morning while the birds are eating and they're calm, I sit here at my desk and I pull a card. Today, I'm not going to pull a tarot card. It's more so like a oracle card, I want to say. It's from Animal Spirit, the Wild Unknown Animal Spirit. The cards are really nice. I like the art of these cards. Anyways, not bird related, but I pull a card and then I do a little bit of meditation on that card. It just centers me a little bit, helps me to start my day and center myself before moving on with my busy work day. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll turn the phone off so that I can truly meditate, that I'm not, distracted by this video. All right, so now it's 6:51. I'm running a little bit behind. I forgot to take my vitamins. I take vitamins B12 and B3 every morning because where I live in British Columbia, Canada, during the winter, we have barely any sun, so I need some energy. Now that the birds have eaten, it's my turn. Ooh, it's my turn, so I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. Not sure what. And then I'll take a shower. I might come back with you guys once I'm getting ready to go to work. So it's 7:30. I'm really running behind, you guys. I start at 8:05. So I washed my hair. I should have totally chosen a day that I did not have to wash my hair. But hey, this is real life. This is what it is when you work full time and you have birds. So I think people need to know this, right? Yeah, is this something that would fit your lifestyle, right? Or would you be willing to have that type of life? Yeah, I'm starting at 8. Well, 8:05 really. And I work really close to home. So I don't really have to commute, but what was I about to say? Yeah, I really have to, stay on schedule in the morning to be able to get to work on time. And I don't spend a lot of times with the birds in the morning. Basically, they're just having breakfast. If I have time to record when I remove their breakfast from the cage, you'll see that they get a little bit of a flight. Not the budgies, but Olive and Lucy. But they get some outside cage time when I get back from work, and you'll see this a little bit later. But I do have to stay on schedule in the morning if I want to do everything that needs to be done and everything that I want to do as well. I have with the type of work that I do, I really do need to meditate before I go to work. So I do need to take that time for myself. That was the quickest makeup ever, but I'm running out of time, you guys. All right, it's 7:45 and I need to leave. I'm gonna put this here. I just need to remove the food from the birds' cages because it's veggies, pressed veggies, and it can't stay there all day. So they have their time from like 6:15 to now to eat it. And I'm just gonna change it to the rest of the pellets or the powder that they had if they want to just pick at it during the day. And for some of them, I do need to change the water because they made some soup. In your thing. Okay, let's try this again, okay? Come on. Come on, honey. Come on, baby. Come on. Want a treat? Come on. No? You don't want to get a treat? Wait. Want to come here? Want to come here? Come on. No? Okay, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. You want a treat? Good job. Good job. You need to change your water, baby. You need to change your water, baby. All right. Come on. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Okay, come on. You want to come see me? Come on, baby. Come on. No? You want a big treat? Okay. Okay, this is a little bit crazy this morning. Everything is falling and nothing is working for me. You know, when you're late, it's always like that. Jesus. And because I'm stressed, because I hate being late and I don't want to be late for work because I just hate it. I don't want Olive to pick up on this because she picks up on my energy and then she attacks me and bites me. So that's why I did some target training and I tried to, but then I scared her away because she got caught up in one of the stands. It's stuck underneath the cage. I'm gonna have to go pick it up tonight because right now it's 7:53. I'm starting in 10 minutes and I'm still home, so I need to leave right now. Okay, so it's 5:45 and I just got home, not 4:45, and I just got home from work. Hello, baby. Hi. Hello. So we are going to give some food to these babies. Ugh. So I'm gonna give some food to my little babies over here. Let's see if I can get some lights. Oh, that's fine. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. How are you? Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, so I usually start. I'm gonna leave the budgies at the end, actually. I'm gonna get her out first. Lucy ate really well. There's only powder left in there. You ate really well, yes? So here's some pellets. Oh, I dropped some on the floor. And I just let her fly like this so that she can, you know, flap her wings a little, get some exercise. She kind of follows me back and forth. It's so funny. So for their dinner, I change their water and then I give them their pellets and I give them just a little bit of seeds. But those seeds are going to be in foraging toys. So I gave her a teaspoon of seed mix. That's for Lucy, but there's a lot of safflower seeds in there. It's just a little teaspoon that I put in her foraging toy. And she is back in there. I'm just gonna close the door. Now Olive, same thing. I'm gonna do some Target with her because right now she's a little bit weird with me lately. So I need to calm her down and to make sure that she's not in a heightened state when I get her out of her cage. I will get my Target. Want to come see me? Huh? Want to come see me? Come on. No?
part yet. And then turn back. And then turn back. Turn back. Okay. So, where are you going from here? I realized that if I'm taking every opportunities with her, every interaction, I see it as a training session. I don't get those unwanted behaviors. Want to spin? Spin. Good job. As much. So she's less bitey and less upset and frustrated. That's how it works. Want to come here? Want to come here? Actually give her a little bit less than a teaspoon of seed mix, and there isn't as much safflower seed in it. There's more millet. She's smaller, so smaller seeds. And I gave her a little bit less as well. Okay, now it's time to let the budgies out. Cats needs to get out when I do this. Don't let my cats in the living room when my budgies are out. So in the morning, I don't really have the time to let these guys out when I give them breakfast and I remove the leftovers of the breakfast. But in the at the end of the day, like this, when I come back from work, I always let them out. I tried to do a training session with Lucy and a training session with Olive. Sometimes I'll let the budgie out. Again, it really depends on my evening if I have the time or not. But they at least get a little bit of time outside of their cage every day like this. I hope you enjoy watching these guys fly all over. They're already back in their cage. Are you coming? Ah, here's Baby Blue. He's like, oh yeah, we have some seed mix here. So I give them also pellets. And then I give them also a little bit of seed mix that I put in their foraging toys. Altogether, I probably, for both of them, give them like a tablespoon, maybe slightly a little bit more than a tablespoon of seeds. So now they're all eating. And while they are eating, I don't even know what time it is right now. It's probably time for me to eat as well. It's 5:07. So I will put some comfy pants And I will make myself some dinner. I don't feel like having something too heavy tonight, so I might just make myself some soup with a little bit of bread or whatever. And yeah, so I'm gonna make myself something to eat. And then I do a little bit of training with them, so I'll show you that. It's now a little bit past 6 p.m. and I'm gonna do a little bit of a recall training with Olive and Lucy today. Not together, separately. Ready? I feel like she's being distracted by the stand and the camera. Ready? Ready? So on this side, there's the stairs, and then on the other side, at the end of the hallway, it's the kitchen. And now that her recall is pretty good, I'm gonna try to hide in these corners to see if she's gonna come to me. Ready? Good job. That was good. I'm gonna get higher in the stairs. Ready? Ready? Good job. Ali, come on. What are you doing? Oh, you're getting full, eh? Ali? Here. Here. Come on here. You shouldn't actually flew on my hand. First, I didn't call her. Second, she flew on my head. Come on. Come on. So that was not good. Ready? Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more and then I'll do a little bit more with Lucy. Ready? 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 Good job. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. She's pretty good at this. What are we gonna do? We're gonna end it there because I think she's starting to get full. So, and we're gonna do a little bit with Lucy, and then it's gonna be time to slowly get them prepared for bed. It's Lucy's turns now. Lucy? Good job. I didn't call you. You need to wait. Lucy? Good job. I didn't click for that one, but I'm still gonna give her a treat because I kind of cued her with my hand when I pull my sleeve up. Lucy? And Lucy, when she's in training mode, she's gonna look at my body language a lot. As soon as I start skewing her, she's gonna go for it. Lucy? No? Did you know? Lucy? Come on. Come on, Lucy. It's like midway she realized, oh shoot, she didn't call me. I didn't call you. Lucy? Good job. I'm gonna try to click when she leaves instead of landing. Lucy? To see if that communication is gonna be clearer for her. Lucy? Good job. Lucy? Oh, good job. You're doing great. Lucy? Good job. That's good. No. Lucy? Good job. Lucy? I don't know if you could see it on that angle, but she was like trying to go and waiting. It was so cute. Lucy? Yeah, I think that changing the timing on the clicker really helps for her to understand what she needs to do. Lucy? 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 Oh, good job, baby. I'm gonna try to be on the other side to go in the kitchen. See what she's gonna do. Oh, are you okay? You surprised me. Okay. Lucy? I can tell she's starting to get a little bit tired because she stays low. You're gonna get one. No, I didn't call you, baby. Lucy? Okay, you're getting tired, eh? Okay. So we're gonna end it there. We're gonna end it there because she's getting tired. Do you see how she's keeping her wings outside of, like, out of her body? Her feet are starting to be a little bit worn too, so Quick note, Lucy, I feel like when I got her a year ago, she never really flew before. She didn't really know how to land. She was always kind of crashing. Even on the perch, she was like holding on to dear life when she was getting on that perch. It was I could see it was a struggle. So, and she could only flew really short distance. She wasn't able to get all the way through. Ooh, are you okay? I kind of cued her on accident. She would have never been able to do that before, but she wasn't okay, come on. She wasn't able to go all the way through the hallway to the kitchen. She would crash midway. She didn't have that strength that those muscles were in there. So we're working on it. Lucy is a little bit older, you know, like she's 8 years old, and I got her, she was around 7. So she never really, and I don't really have a history, but I know she was a breeding bird, so I'm assuming she was staying in a cage producing babies. So probably not really, she still wants to, no, what are you doing? The thing is, she's still, okay, come here, come on. No, come on. No, hey, no. Come on, okay. That was a little bit of a disaster. She didn't know where to go. She's on the perch now. I don't even know what I was saying. I don't know. So I guess it's time to put her back in her house. Come on. Okay, good job. I remember now what I wanted to say. Lucy is so eager to train. I could train that bird. This training session was about 10 minutes of flying nonstop, which is for a bird that doesn't really fly and never really flew your entire life. It's a pretty good training session, you know. But Lucy, she's like a beast. She just loves training so much. It's really nice to train her. But it's now 6:25, so usually what I do is around that time, I put them back in their cages so that they can start settling down. And then I have a few lights in the living room here that I will slowly start to dim down or shut down one after the other one. And then while I do this, I usually just take a little bit of time for myself and, watch a series or something, or podcast or whatever. Usually it's a series on Netflix. While they just settle in, getting ready to go to bed. And then at 7, it's completely dark in here, and I close that door right there, and it's sleeping time for the birds. It's now 7:32. I am pretty tired. Oh, and I just cut on my cat, so I have some cat hair on me. So it's time to take care of these dishes in the sink, and then empty the little box, and then I might have a little bit of time to edit some videos for the channel. And I've been reading lately this new book that I got that's called The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. Shout out to her YouTube channel, podcast that I actually enjoyed, but might do a little bit of reading. I want to say probably 9:30 I'm going to go to bed, because I'm going to wake up again at 5:30 tomorrow morning, and we're going to start this all over again. So let me know if you enjoy that type of video. It's very different from what I do usually, but this was day in the life of me. And it's not always like this, but this is a regular week day when I go to work. So have a good night.